Welcome to the informative XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with XIAOMI Controller app on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store application, and after that here in the search we'll enter the XIAOMI Changer. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and then wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just we should open the app. And now we can here choose one from these available applications and change the icon. For example, the contact, we can here rename the app if you want, but I don't want to do that. We have here the library with the different folders with different icons here. Also we can select the one from our device photos in gallery app, or also we can take a picture right now in camera application. For example, I'll go with the default ones, for example with this folder, so I'll select this similar to the contacts icon, then just click here on the right upper corner to OK, click here OK, tap to the other permissions, tap here to always allow, and okay, here everything is activated. Now just click again to the right upper corner. So then just click here to change next icon if you want to change one more icon. And now we'll go here to the home screen, and we can see here this is our new contacts application, so we can see here the difference between these two icons. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.